Hello and welcome to another episode of Jimster 586's Lock Shop. Today I have another padlock from across the pond, if you will. Today's is a Squire, Old English. It's a 4-lever warded padlock, or lever padlock rather. I have one key for you here. Oops. Wrong side there. There we go. This is PES. So it looks like. Again, this is a 4-lever lock. And here's the information off the, so the camera can read it, off the back of the lock. Made in England. So this one has a little cover on it, which you have to slide up to there. Doesn't want to stay up. You can drop the key in. You can see that the key is in. And let's open it up for you. It's a bit of a glare here, so I'm trying to work around it. Bear with me. As you can see, the lock is now open. One problem with this one is this cover's in the way, so you can't really see the action. The lever moving. Get to really see a heck of a lot here. Lock is now opened. Now you can see it moving. And the lock is now secure. Open. Secure. Open. Secure. Kind of a neat lock. I like these cutaways with the plastic cover to keep all the parts intact. Of course, there's the key right there. You can see it moving. That's about all I've got for you. Just a quick look at this Squire 4-lever Old English padlock with key. So I'll withdraw the key out, and the little door goes down. It's really kind of a neat lock. I'd like to see one of these without the plastic cover. An actual working model. That would be really cool. Anyway, that's all I've got for you. So that's it for Jimster's Lock Shop this time around. And we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.